Welcome to a new chapter in Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. And if you're like me that have a lot of mangoes, fruits like a lot of mangoes in season, I am going to show you what we can do with some of these fruits. This is my Julie mango, which is ripe. I'm up in my tree, and okay, so I went up underneath that tree and just picking a couple fruits. I have a lot of mangoes, and they're actually falling off the trees a whole lot. Don't know how well you can see them, but I have them. They're hanging everywhere. And just this morning I picked up this much mangoes. Adding that one, you can see these are different. This one is bigger. This is a different variety. So I have a lot of mangoes around, and I'm going to show you, if you're wondering, if you're like me with a lot of mangoes hanging around, I'm going to show you what you can actually do with mangoes during the mango season. Alright, they're very refreshing, very nutritious fruits, but we need to know how to use them, and I'm going to give you a quick tip on something you can do with a nice refreshing drink. Alright, stay tuned and we'll get to that. Okay, so we've picked up all the mangoes. You can see them over here. I selected two that I'd use for the demonstration, because as I was picking them up, this one fell and hit me in the back as I was coming in, so I'm going to use this one. Alright, so in the interest of time, I've gone ahead and do some things. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing, simple, refreshing mango lemonade. Alright, here I have my measuring cup. Here I already have 36 ounces of water in this bottle. I selected two mangoes, and so for this 36 ounces of water, all you need is two small mangoes, or you can have one big mango. All right, and the lime. Okay, won't be lemonade without the lime. Limeade, if you want to call it lemonade. Okay, so first, we'll begin with peeling the mangoes. I think in one other video I already explained to you, I showed you some peeling skill, how to hold a knife. I'm not going to do that today, but we'll just show you. You just quickly peel the mango this way, and you would remove these pieces of it. All right, and we would just accumulate them and then put them in you can see the smoothie machine over here, and just smooth them. But we've already done that. We've already smoothed some, so I have some already blended in the interest of time. So I'm going to go ahead and use what I have. So I'm just going to pour. All you need for that 36 ounces of water is 2 ounces. I'm going to use about 4, but you don't really need more than 2, but I'm going to use 4 ounces. All right, 4 ounces, and 4 ounces would look just about like that, not a lot. I'm going to go ahead, pour that in here just to make sure it can actually hold, and I'll leave a little bit back there. Let me put that down there so it doesn't fall. All right, I need to prepare the lime. Now limes are best chosen when the skins look thin or shine. All right, because sometimes it gets a little hard, but to juice it up a little, you just put your hand on it like this and roll it on a cutting board, and that will soften it up. All right, now it's nice and soft. Cut it in half, and I'm squeezing it in there to make the lemonade. Get a little of the pulp in there. Gives it a little character. When you put the pulp in there, squeeze the other half. All right, so again, we're using 36 ounces of water, 4 ounces of mango juice, and a big mango, or 2 medium-sized mangoes will give you that much. All right, we want to add a little sugar to it also. I'm gonna say about 4 spoons of sugar. Yep. Sweeten up what's in there. Now, the reason you add so much water is because you're not making mango juice. Alright? Mango juice gives a totally different character to the drink. It's I have to be honest with you, it's not as refreshing. It's a little bulkier, a little heavier. In the summertime like it is now, mango lemonade is way more refreshing. Alright, now that I've put the 36 ounces of the water, 4 ounces of mango juice, and I squeezed the lime in there, and I put about 4 or 5 tablespoons of sugar, and now I'm just gonna shake it up. I could have put it in the smoothie machine and just blend it up, make it easier, but I have this bottle here and I need the exercise, so alright, and there it is. You should be ready. Okay, here we go. Give it a little sample. Very refreshing. It's not heavy, it's not too sweet, but it's nutritious because you have a whole lime in there, you have the mango, you add the water, and you add some sugar for energy. Alright, so there you have it, mango lemonade. Alright, very good for those who have lots of mangoes hanging around and don't know what to do with them. Don't let them make a mess of the yard. Just make the cut them, peel them as I showed you before, freeze them, and at some other point you thaw out only what you need. Make a refreshing mango juice for mango lemonade. So there you have it, nice refreshing glass of mango lemonade. If you like what you see, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Montego with Wake Up and Live.